Hello and welcome back to the video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a lower calorie peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So instead of using your normal Jiffy that's going to have 190 calories per 2 tablespoons, we're going to substitute the Jiffy and we're going to use PB Fit. So now using the PB Fit, you're going to get 70 calories for every 2 tablespoons. You're only getting 2 grams of fat compared to the 16 grams of fat. This one has 7 grams of protein in it. You're going to get 8 grams of protein in the PB Fit. And I'm going to show you a way to expand this so the 2 tablespoons is a lot more to actually expand it out using a simple ingredients of yogurt. So to start off, I'm going to put it on the food scale and we're going to measure out 2 tablespoons, which is going to be 16 grams. And again, you definitely want to have a food scale when you're trying to track all your calories and you're trying to make sure that you're to the point, spot on. You definitely want to get a food scale, and a food scale it's not going to take you back much. It only costs about $10 to $15 depending on where you get it from. I got this one from Amazon. I think it cost me 10 bucks. So not much at all, especially when you're trying to be on point and make sure that you have all your macros and calories and everything to the gram. And when you're trying to make these easy and fast, low-calorie recipes, food scale is definitely going to help you out. So next, instead of adding water to this, we're going to add some non-fat Greek yogurt. It's going to be 90 calories and 170 grams. You're going to get 0 fat from this, and this is going to add another 18 grams of protein on top of the 8 grams of protein that's already in the PB Fit. So this is going to make this a lot higher in protein just using regular Jiffy and a lot lower calorie. So I'm going to add the 170 grams here. There we go. There's 170. Then you're just going to mix this together. And now you're getting a lot more peanut butter, a lot more protein, a lot less calories than if you were going to put this much peanut butter from the Jiffy. And it's still going to taste exactly like peanut butter because all you're using is plain Greek yogurt. And if it's not as peanut buttery for you, add another scoop or add another tablespoon of PB Fit. It'll only give you 35 calories. Add it on to this. But definitely when making this is already going to be enough peanut butter for me when I'm making this peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So now we got the peanut butter. And again, so instead of using regular strawberry or grape jelly, that's going to be 50 calories. We're going to get sugar-free. And I have Smucker's sugar-free grape jam here. And instead of the 50 calories, now you're only adding 10 calories. You have 0 sugar, and you have 3 grams of fiber in this. So we're going to use sugar-free. You can use sugar-free strawberry if you like the strawberry better, grape. It's really your preference of what you want to do, but make sure that you're getting sugar-free. And most of them are only 10 to 15 calories. So I already toasted that one. And you're probably going to have enough with as much peanut butter here to make 3 to 4 sandwiches, depending on how much you like to put on each side. So you're definitely getting tons of peanut butter from adding that yogurt. And if you don't want to have this many sandwiches, just cut it in half. Instead of using 170 grams, just do half. But you can see right here, I just put on a hefty amount of peanut butter on 2 slices, and I still have enough probably for another 2 slices if I wanted to make that. And with the bread, so instead of using regular white bread, I have Fit and Active. It's only 45 calories per slice. Again, you can use any bread that you want because you're already going very low calorie with the PB Fit and with the sugar-free grape, jelly, strawberry. But if you want to add it, if you want to get even lower in your calories, you have Fit and Active bread. There's Nichols 35 sliced bread. So really it's your preference on that, but again, when we're trying to stay low calorie, I'm going to use the 45 calorie bread or the 35 calorie bread. And again, you can just test it to your preference to see how much peanut butter you like. Add a little bit more of the PB Fit if you want it more peanut buttery. Take out less yogurt. Put in more yogurt if it's too peanut buttery. If you want to expand it out more. Really your preference on what you want to do. But adding that yogurt's really going to expand your peanut butter. It's going to make it taste very good with adding tons of protein to it. Way higher protein than just using regular Jiffy. Way less calories. And like I said, this right here, I probably got enough for another 2 sandwiches if I wanted to make it, but right here, I'm just going to stick with the 2. And you see there's tons of peanut butter in there. So not much at all. Prep time, very easy. Very simple. Trying to stay low calorie can be very easy if you know what you're doing. So thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell button so you're notified anytime a new video comes out. And have a great day.